Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to go over this foldable hand truck dolly from Winice. I will go over some of the features as well as show you how to use it. It's a nice compact, lightweight, easy to fold up and store hand truck dolly. So let's take a look at it. This foldable hand truck dolly's handles can be adjusted from 25 inches up to 39 inches to adjust for your height and amount of load that you're carrying. This dolly is capable of carrying 165 pounds. The frame is made of aluminum alloy construction with a rubber comfort grip. The chassis is made of aluminum alloy and plastic for added strength. This cart has 2 solid rubber wheels and it comes with 1 bungee cord to keep your load stable as well. Another really nice feature with this cart is how compact it is. It folds up, really nice and slim and easy to store. Now to use this cart, you just simply pull down on this until it locks into place. Your wheels will extend out. And now this is locked, and to use the handle, you just simply squeeze this piece together here, and it unlocks the handle, and you can adjust it to 2 different heights. That is all the way extended, and now there's also 1 lower setting. Squeeze the handle and slide it down till it locks into place. And now you have your handle extended down lower. When you're finished with your cart, just simply squeeze this, push the handle all the way in until it locks, and then go ahead and pull this back up and your wheels will go back into place automatically, and now the cart is ready for storage and out of the way. What makes this cart so nice is its lightweight, slim construction, aluminum frame, so it'll keep it from rusting. You can use this cart not only indoors but outdoors as well. And when you're finished with it, it's so easy to fold up. It's compact. You can store it out of the way. If you guys are interested in this cart, I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.